Hello everyone, how are you? You are fine? Okay. In the last period, we had completed the lesson Khashaba Jadab. Line to line, we studied. Today, we shall study the summary of this lesson. Summary means, in my own words, I will tell the story of Khashaba Jadab. Okay. So, how is the story? It was the story of 1948. At that time, Olympic games were held, and in Olympic games, which are the games held? Athletics, like running, swimming, boxing, wrestling. Yes, these are the games held. And who wins the medal? He is a champion, and he is winner, and he is world champion. Now here in this lesson we are studying about the wrestler. His name was Khashaba Jadhav. What is the special thing about him? He was the first Indian to bring medal. Which medal? Olympic medal for India. He was the first Indian. He was born in Goleshwar in Satara district in Maharashtra. He was Maharashtrian. So his father, Dada Saheb, he was also a wrestler, and his father, Dada Saheb had five sons. How many sons? Five sons, and Khashaba Jadhav was the youngest son. And here, Dada Saheb, his father taught all the sons what? Wrestling. All the sons. But Khashaba Jadhav was the best in wrestling. When Khashaba Jadhav was just 4 years old, at that time, he used to go to see bouts with his father, and he used to sit on his shoulder, and he watched what? Wrestling bouts. Who? Khashaba Jadhav. So much interest he had. But when he became 10 years old, he became a wrestler, and he proved he was a very nice wrestler. Means he was wrestling in Akhada. Okay. After that, he liked other games also, like kabaddi, running, swimming, malkham, gymnastic. All these games he liked, and he used to play them. That is why he became very strong and agile. Agile means very active. Okay. And after the school, when he went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur, there also he got chance to play wrestling. He got encouragement from that college, and he proved that he was the best wrestler there. And then afterwards he got chance to play on national level, and he defeated Niranjan Das, who was national champion. As he defeated national champion, he got chance to play wrestling on international level. On international level means this wrestling is played on international level, means many wrestlers or many sportsmen, they come there from many wrestlers from many countries like Japan, China, America. Yes, these are the countries. From such countries, or England, from such countries, many wrestlers or sportsmen come there for playing games or sports. And here he also got chance when he defeated Niranjan Das. When he defeated Niranjan Das in 1948, he went to Olympic Games. Where did he go? He went to Olympic Games. Right? He went to Olympic Games. But what happened? our national rules and international rules, they were different. Yes, national rules and international rules, they were completely different. That's why it was very difficult for him to play. And here he has to play in earthen pit. He had to play in earthen pit. That's why it was very difficult. Then also among the 42 players or 42 sportsmen, he got sixth place. Which place did he get? Sixth place. But he could not bring any medal. And Olympic games are held after every how many years? After every 4 years, Olympic games are held. Okay. And then after that, it was very difficult for him to enter that Olympic games next time, because he got what you say, opposition, because they were saying that you have lost already in Olympic game. Why should we send you in Olympic international? Then also, however, he got chance to play games, Olympic games. But how was the condition at that time? Today government gives money to play on international level. At that time, when in 1952, means before 70 years ago, 70 years ago, at that time government did not give money. Yes, means here Khashaba Jadhav, he had to spend his own money, and Khashaba Jadhav, he was very poor, he did not have that much money. So what happened at that time? His principal of Rajaram College, Kolhapur, he gave his own house for that. Yes, and people from his village also helped him. There he went for playing this wrestling. Then first of all, he had to fight with the wrestler of Russia and Gulf countries. Within 5 minutes, he completed the bouts and he won the matches. Yes, he won the matches. Then next time he went, he had another wrestler. He was very good wrestler, a perfect match for whom? For Khashaba Jadhav. He was from Japan, wrestler from Japan. Then here this wrestling went for how many minutes? 15 minutes. This wrestling went for 15 minutes and Khashaba Jadhav lost that bout just 1 point. Just 1 point. Now here one thing what happened, there is a rule that after playing that wrestling, that wrestler should get half hour time for rest. Yes, because he was too much tired. Who was too much tired? Khashaba Jadhav was too much exhausted. Exhausted means tired. He was tired and he did not get a chance for that. Immediately he had to play wrestling with Soviet means the wrestler from Russia. He had to play with him. That's why he could not win that bout and he had to lose that. Then also what happened? He got bronze medal. Which medal did he got? Bronze medal. And he was the first Indian to get any medal. Which medal? Olympic medal. In 1952, before 70 years ago, we are speaking, he was the first Indian to get any Olympic medal. And when he came India from Helsinki, it was held there, na? And he got what? Helsinki. He got a great grand welcome in India. In his village Goleshwar, there were 151 bullock carts for his to welcome. Dhol were there, dhol, band for his welcome. And in this way, he did not forget his principal who gave his house. That's why he collected money. Yes, how did he collect money? Again, he played some wrestling matches and he won many amounts, much money, many rupees, and he used that money for getting back the house of that principal. Yes, in this way, he gave his principal's house back by collecting the money after coming back from the Helsinki. Okay, see, this is the man who won Olympic medal for our India. Yes, it was a great honor for him. It is a great honor to get Olympic medal, right? Do you want to get such kind of medal for our India? Then if you want to get, then you have to work very hard. There should be that, what to say, passion to win such medals. Bronze medal, silver medal, and the first one is gold medal. Okay, here I have finished this summary. It is your homework to read this lesson 3-4 times and tell me summary and send me audio. Okay, so till then, stay tuned, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.